Jerry here, and this video is an unboxing of a model kit that I'd like to share with you. It's the USS Enterprise, designation NCC-1701-C. Now, I got this off eBay, and you know, when you're looking at all the listings, basically everything looks the same. Everything looks the same size, all the boxes look the same, and if you don't pay attention, like I did, I thought, oh, you know, that's a pretty good price for the Enterprise C, because I don't have an Enterprise C yet. So I saw the model, and it sells, the average is about 20 some odd dollars, and you know, you got $5 or $6 shipping. Well, this one was $7.50, so I'm thinking, oh, pretty good. So I bought it, and it was $7.50 shipping, so it was $15, which, you know, isn't bad. It's pretty cool, so I'm looking forward to making it. But I neglected to look at the scale number. So when I was tracking it, I looked and I happened to see on a picture that it was 1/2500 scale, which is still, you know, it's pretty cool because it's the Enterprise C, and I don't have that yet. But this is a video of an unboxing to let you guys know what it looks like. Now, usually the 1/1000 is pretty average. That's probably what you're going to see on all the ships that, you know, sell the most. And that's probably, depending on the ship, you know, 18 to 21 or 22 inches long. And you know, the smaller the number, the bigger the model. Obviously the 1/350 is a very large model, and the 1/2500 is a very small model. This one measures out to, I believe it says it's 10 inches or 10 and 3/4 inches. But I'm going to go ahead and check out some of the box work with you guys. You know, the box art's pretty nice. It's pretty cool. USS Enterprise NCC-1701-C. This is the Cadet Series. 1/2500 scale Cadet Series. USS Enterprise. One plastic kit. Skill level on this is 2. Let me make sure you guys can see the back. The back gives a little bit of information on the USS Enterprise NCC-1701-C. And this is actually 8 3/4 inches long. Sorry, I said 10, so it's even smaller. The Cadet Series from AMT is a collection of easy-to-assemble kits of some of the most famous ships in the fleet, all on a compact 1/2500 scale. Each kit contains a complete set of decals, featuring accurate ship markings and Aztec paneling for an extreme level of authenticity. Have fun adding your own painted details, paint not included, using the enclosed painting suggestions guide. Ships range in size from 4.5 inches long to 10 3/4 inches long. These little kits may be small in size, but they're big in detail. And the other paragraphs are in different languages, but it shows different kits from the Cadet Series. You've got the NCC-1701-D, USS Enterprise, NCC-1701-E, USS Enterprise. You have the original Enterprise, the refit, and the Enterprise B. Actually, that's the NCC-1701-A, excuse me, that's not the refit. And of course, this one is this kit, the NCC-1701-C. So, like I said, the box art's pretty cool. A little bit of a history on it, so why don't we go ahead and open it up. Take the plastic off. The box is pretty nice. It's boxed very well. You know, it's a nice heavy-duty cardboard box. Let me just try to pull the flap open for you to get it out. There we go. Okay, so looking inside the box, first thing I notice is there's the stickers, the decals. You can see, I don't know if you can see in the light, but the bridge, top saucer section. There's quite a bit of decal work for this ship. I'll take that out for you and show you that in a moment. We got the instructions. This looks like the French instructions. Put that aside. Here are the English instructions, the assembly instructions, and I'll give you guys a close-up photograph so you can pause the video and you can look at it in greater detail and length. That's got the assembly instructions. I want to make sure you guys can see that. Looks relatively straightforward. A snap together kit, but you know, I'm not going to snap it together. I would just as soon glue it. It'll be a lot more sturdy. And if you're going to go through all the work with the decals and painting, you might as well, right? You want it to look good and to last. And this is my first Enterprise C. I don't have a NCC-1701-C. So I want it to look good, and of course it's got some advertisements and flyers. And I guess this is the instructions in Spanish. So let's take a look at the model itself. So we got the primary hull, got the nacelles. It's not a bad looking ship, and the detail, I don't know if you can see the detail, but the detail's pretty cool. So I got the saucer section. You can see the saucer section. There's a lot of detail in this. I don't know if you guys can pick out how detailed it is, but again, I'll put it in some pictures. And it's pretty cool. It's really, really detailed. And this is more round 2 model advertisements on different model kits you can get. And that's it. That's the contents of the box. So it's pretty cool. And like I said, I'm going to take some photographs for you guys to see how detailed the parts are. And I'll show you the decals and all that stuff in the photographs in this video. And I'm going to put it together. I don't know if I'm going to make it as per the instructions, or if I'm going to go ahead and paint it to make it look as authentic as possible. I'm not sure. I might just make it the way the box says, just to show you guys what it looks like from the box without the paint. But either way, when it's assembled, I'll give you guys an update and I'll show you the finished product. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. Have a great day.